In this video, I will show you how to hide page title in WordPress. Let's get started. As you can see right here, I have this page title right here. And if I want to hide it, I need to head over right here to my WordPress dashboard. Scroll down until I can see this plugins. Click on this add new plugin right here. And then from in there, you should be able to see the plugin marketplace of WordPress itself. So what we can do is we can click on this search bar right here and search in here for title remover. So let's search in here for that. And then once you have searched for it, you should be able to see in here some search results. So you can choose any title remover right here, but I recommend you to do this, which is this title remover by WP Gurus. So let's click on this right here. And then from in there, click on this install and activate. And now this will actually install a plugin to our WordPress. Now you can see right here that it's actually been installed. It actually gives you the ability to hide the title of any post, page, or custom post type item without affecting the menus or titles in the admin area. Once it's been installed, you can actually head over and enable this on your actual website. Here's my website right here, and I just need to refresh on it. It will take some time for this to actually reload and in order for this to hide the title on our page. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.